Are you unknowingly sabotaging your income with these 5 affiliate marketing mistakes? Stick around to discover the pitfalls that could be draining your wallet. Choosing the wrong affiliate products is akin to trying to sell ice to Eskimos. No matter how hard you try, it just won't stick. Imagine spending hours crafting the perfect promotional content, only to hear crickets. Why? Because the product you're pushing doesn't resonate with your audience. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Now, picture this. You run a fitness blog and your audience comes to you for tips on workouts, healthy eating, and staying motivated. They trust your judgment. Suddenly, you start promoting a new line of heavy-duty kitchen appliances. It's a stretch, right? Your audience is looking for dumbbells, not dishwashers. This mismatch leads to a ripple effect of repercussions. Your conversion rates plummet because the relevance is off. Engagement drops because your content no longer aligns with your audience's needs or interests. The key to successful affiliate marketing is not just about pushing products. It's about fostering trust and maintaining relevance. When you recommend products that align with your audience's interests and needs, you're not just selling, you're providing value. And that's when the magic happens: higher conversion rates, boosted trust, and ultimately a healthier wallet. The catch is, how do you ensure you're choosing the right affiliate products? It all starts with knowing your audience inside and out. But that's a tale for another time. Imagine stumbling upon a product that seems like a perfect fit for your lifestyle, promoted by a content creator you've been following for months, maybe even years. You trust their judgment implicitly, believing they wouldn't steer you wrong. Now, flip the scenario. How would you feel if you later discovered this recommendation was not based on their genuine love for the product, but because they were paid to promote it without disclosing this fact? The sense of betrayal can be profound, severing trust and damaging the relationship beyond repair. This breach of trust highlights the critical importance of transparency in affiliate marketing. When content creators openly acknowledge their affiliate relationships, they're not just complying with legal requirements, they're honoring the trust their audience places in them. It's a gesture of respect, acknowledging that their followers deserve to know when a recommendation is also part of a business agreement. But here's the real kicker: transparency doesn't diminish credibility, it enhances it. Audiences today are savvy. They understand that content creators make a living through such promotions. By being upfront, you're likely to earn even more respect for your honesty. Yet many still take the gamble, hiding their affiliations, thinking it will lead to more sales. But at what cost? Once trust is broken, it's an uphill battle to rebuild it. And in the digital world, where options are endless, disappointed followers can easily find alternative sources of information and recommendations. In today's digital age, imagine your website or blog as a tiny remote island in the vast ocean of the internet. Without a bridge or a map, how can potential visitors discover this hidden gem? This is where the power of search engine optimization, or SEO, and quality content come into play. SEO acts as the beacon, guiding search engines toward your content, making it visible and accessible to those who are searching for information or solutions that you offer. Now, consider the impact of neglecting SEO. It's akin to turning off that beacon, leaving your website in the dark, unseen by potential visitors. Without SEO, no matter how valuable or engaging your content might be, it remains invisible to the vast majority of online users. The internet is crowded, and without optimizing your content to stand out, it's easy for your website to get lost in the shuffle. But SEO alone isn't the golden ticket. The quality of your content is equally crucial. High quality, informative, and engaging content is what keeps visitors coming back. It's what makes them stay on your page longer, reducing bounce rates and encouraging them to explore what else you have to offer. Together, SEO and quality content create a synergy that not only attracts but also retains a targeted audience. Imagine for a moment you've built a beautiful, thriving garden. You've poured your heart into selecting the seeds, planting them carefully, and nurturing them every day. Now this garden is your website, and the seeds are the content you create. Just as a garden relies on the rain to grow, your website depends on traffic. But here's the catch: what if you only had one rain cloud? In the digital world, relying solely on one traffic source, say search engine traffic via SEO, is like putting all your bets on that single cloud. At first, it might seem enough, but what happens if that cloud dries up? Suddenly, your thriving garden begins to wither. Now, every rain cloud has its season, and in the digital world, algorithms change, platforms evolve, and user behaviors shift. One day, your primary traffic source might dwindle or vanish altogether, leaving your garden dry and deserted. This scenario isn't just theory, it's a reality many have faced when algorithm updates led to plummeting site visits overnight. The solution? Diversification. Just as sustainable farming practices often recommend having multiple sources of water, successful online presence is built on the principle of diversifying traffic sources. Imagine now having a garden that receives rain from various clouds, groundwater, and even technological solutions like irrigation systems. In digital terms, that means harnessing not just SEO, but also social media, email marketing, guest blogging, and perhaps even paid advertising. Diversification ensures that if one source starts to fail, others can maintain the health of your website, keeping your content seen and your efforts fruitful. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. In the universe of affiliate marketing, flying blind without the use of data and analytics is akin to sailing a ship with no compass. Imagine for a moment, if you continue this course, where do you end up? Likely adrift, right? Data and analytics are the GPS for your affiliate marketing efforts, guiding you through the fog of internet traffic and ensuring your strategies are headed towards treasure rather than a desert island. Now, why do some affiliate marketers neglect this invaluable tool? It might be due to a misconception that intuition or past experiences alone are enough. But here's the kicker: the digital landscape changes quicker than the weather. What worked yesterday might not work today. Without analytics, you're missing out on understanding who your audience is, what they want, and how they interact with your content. It's like trying to hit a target in the dark. Analytics unlock the door to a treasure trove of insights, showing you not just where you are, but where you need to pivot. They tell you which content resonates with your audience, which strategies are converting, and very crucially, where you're losing potential customers. With these insights, you can optimize your campaigns, improve your content strategy, and ultimately boost your ROI. It's not just about increasing traffic, it's about attracting the right traffic. But here's an essential piece of the puzzle. It's not just about having the data, it's about understanding it. It's easy to drown in a sea of numbers and charts. The key is to focus on the metrics that truly matter to your goals. Are you tracking conversion rates, bounce rates, or perhaps engagement metrics? Knowing what to look for turns data from overwhelming to empowering. Navigating the landscape of affiliate marketing presents a unique set of challenges. But with the right approach, these obstacles can transform into stepping stones towards success. One of the most common pitfalls is choosing the wrong product. The key here is not to just select products based on what seems popular, but to find products that you're passionate about and that align with the interests of your audience. Imagine recommending something that you genuinely use to a friend. This authenticity not only builds trust, but also enhances your credibility. Now, on building trust, it's pivotal. Trust isn't built overnight. Engage with your audience consistently, be transparent about your affiliate relationships, and always prioritize providing value over making a sale. Think about it. When was the last time you trusted someone who seemed to have an ulterior motive? Exactly. Improving SEO and content goes hand in hand. For starters, focus on creating content that answers the burning questions your audience has. Use keyword research tools to find what they're searching for online, then craft your content to answer these queries. Don't forget to make your content engaging and accessible. Nobody wants to wade through a sea of jargon. Diversifying your traffic sources ensures you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. Suppose one source dries up, you'll have others to rely on. Explore channels like social media, email marketing, or even guest blogging on reputable sites within your niche. Each channel you add is like casting another line into the sea, increasing your chances of catching fish. Lastly, leveraging data analytics isn't as daunting as it sounds. Start with the basics. Track how visitors interact with your site and content. Use tools that simplify this data into actionable insights, focusing on metrics directly connected to your goals. For example, if your goal is to increase sales, look at conversion rates. Seen a spike in traffic after a particular post? That's a sign to create more content in that vein.